SMF, MMT, stockmarketfunding.com. Look at here. The VIX, when we talked about it a couple of weeks ago at 21, we have come up a little bit, but gradually and incrementally, we put that bottom in. That was that week, and we tested half of that SMF weekly bar. Bam. Now we made a higher high, and that 10-week moving average is going to flatten out. Now let me tell you what happens. On this fear indicator, everyone needs to know, all of the MMTs know, that's not the issue. But the people that might be watching the video will tell you. It's a fear indicator. When this goes higher, equities go down and the S&P will go down. And that means that this is building momentum. That means 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, this VIX has been in a bear trend. However, to qualify for the SMF bull trend is you got to close 4 weeks above it. Well, what's ironic is that 10-week is flattening out. And if we get a weekly close above it and this rallies, that means it's time to start buying these right here, the 1150 puts. And we keep harping on that. And the S&P had 7 passes at resistance and could not break 1150 on the S&P 500 index. Go to stockmarketfunding.com, find them. We've already updated them to all of the SMF MMTs, which puts this contract at a very deflated price as we roll up above, and that 50-week moving average is where it sold off. But remember, we got to clear half of that weekly bar to the upside, and the VIX closes above the weekly moving average. That is the setup for a perfect pullback in the September rally.